Actually, I'm gonna go main on here first. It's 8. Bro, what? I can't even load the f***ing site. It's not working, bro. Check out now. Not working at all. Process payment. Processing. Please. Check out failure. Check out failure. Please, bro. I don't know if I'm doing anything or if I'm recording anything. Oh my god, bro. I literally. Oh my god. Oh man. Boys. Well, boys, that was a big L. Unfortunately, I feel like Mac and I mean I can always blame it on that because my server got hit off. Like, come on, yo, come on. Guys, so I'm just not introing this video. We're actually heading down to Texas again. There's a sneaker convention down there. I want to be real honest, I don't know a lot about it. One of my friends Cam just told me about it, so I decided we should go down there for a little bit. We're staying at a hotel. Should be pretty fun. Definitely some good content. Hopefully I'll meet some of you guys. I don't know, we'll see. Alright guys, so a lot has happened between now and the last clip. Probably been like 12 hours, I don't even know. So long story short, we went to our first hotel. They didn't let us check in because they had to be 21 because I had like mini bars at the rooms. So I was pretty pissed off, so we had to book another hotel. We got to another hotel, checked in and everything, went to eat, came back, slept. That's pretty much it. That's a very long story short, but you guys get the gist of it. So now we're getting ready. I just got dressed. We're probably about to go get some breakfast. I gotta find a belt, and then we're gonna head to the convention. So we're eating at Yard House yet again, the last time we were down here. Alright guys, so we just got to the event center. It's a little smaller than I expected, so we're about to hop in there and see what it's about. That was pretty dope. I actually met a fan. We've been here for like 5 minutes maybe. How do you like it, man? Kaylee's not having a lot of fun, but it's okay. Wild, bro. How much you asking? How much you asking? It's more like a display piece, but if I were to sell it, I'd probably like 27.
Hell no!
Thank you, UnlimitedCop, for all of your help.
Like, comment. Sure.
If you're not subscribed, then you're gonna have 20 years of bad luck.
Alright boys, hey, safe drive.
Yeah, you too, bro. Good to see you, man.
It's super hot. It was super hot in there.
Wow.
You couldn't hear me talk. I tried to record and talk, but like you couldn't hear it because of all the loud music and shit. But it was fun. We were there. What time did we get here? Like 2.5 hours, maybe 3. It was fun. Cam bought a bunch of shit, as you guys saw. We're about to find something to eat. And then I think we're gonna stay another night here. Originally, we were only gonna stay one night, but I don't really want to drive back right now. Hey, watch out, someone's gonna hit you. What up? You want in it?
Yeah, tell him, man. No bullshit.
I don't even know what happened. The guy, he almost ran into the other person in front of him because he took off. He was still talking to me, so. It's hot, we're about to get something to eat, and that's what's happening. Recording, all right. Okay, boys, so unfortunately I can't stream this release because I don't really know. YouTube's not letting me stream. So my functionality, I don't know, something weird happened. Gotta check and see what happened. But we're gonna go manual here and see what we can do. All right, 15 seconds. Hopefully we can snag one off Kith. I don't really know. I'm running foot sites. I'll show you my bots in a second. There we go. I didn't show up on the right screen. I did a cart, pending, out of stock, waiting for restocks. Let me get in on sneakers real quick. Out of stock, damn, that was quick. Step 1, all these are on step 1. The server's getting pounded hard. Pending, all right, we'll see what we'll do. I'm gonna hop on this call with these guys and see if they're doing any good. Yo, what are you guys doing? Shopify sold out so fast. Yeah, no, it's gonna, most of mine are on step 1, step 2, especially with the server right now. They're getting fucked. The server unavailable is the server. Yeah, mine's step 1 now. Oh, step 3. I'm checking out. I'm about to be checking out. Oh, I hit on, what the f, I hit on the sneakers too. What the hell? No, there's more steps. But why the f is everyone hit on sneakers? I just hit 2. That's so weird. Alright, recording on there, recording on here. Alright, the Cubby 5 is about to drop. Unfortunately, I don't have the second angle here, so you're just gonna have to see this. But let's see how we do. I've been able to hit the past couple Kobe's, so hopefully we can snag a couple here. Alright, about a minute. Alright, I was pretty quick. Out of stock? Okay, that must have been fake stock. Bro, what is going on? Okay, that was fake stock. I don't know what's happening, yo. I don't know if Kith even dropped. All these phone pauses and things are throwing me off. Out of stock. I don't think it did. Kith didn't even drop. Dude, why would she pass out of stock so fast? That was weird. Anything happening here? What is this for? Why am I getting 429? That should not be happening. That should not be happening with these. I'm using some new proxies. Maybe that's it. Oh, payment success. There we go. Size 11. Let's go. There's one. Let me check my webhooks. Yeah, I got one. There's one so far, boys. That's good. At least we hit one. That's not bad. Oh. I'm gonna switch proxies real quick. See if that makes a difference. Did I hit another one? No. Profile error. Wait, was it gonna check out but add a profile error or what? I don't know that. I think the servers are getting because yeah, some of these shouldn't be like this. I think they're doing something weird with proxies. Because these proxies should not be doing this. Alright guys, so I realized I didn't really record an outro to this video. As always, if you guys did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Definitely be sure to let me know what your favorite part of the video was. I've been kind of changing them up a little bit. Obviously, this is kind of a big video, so we did a lot in it. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. All the good stuff is linked down in the description below. Also guys, if you want to get into the sneaker game and you don't know where to get started, definitely be sure to check out my sneaker group, Saber.io. That's pretty much it guys. I will see you guys next episode.